Alright, folks, we're in the lab tonight on a Thursday night to have a little fun. I want to welcome you to the comedy show generator with our three AI-based comedians using uncensored models running locally on my big 7 GPU cluster. This is RoboJoker, TechTongue, and Puncton. And tonight we are going to address the topic of running expensive GPUs in a home lab for AI and machine learning.
Hey, Im here for the brainiacs and tech enthusiasts in the house because we're about to get hot, and Im not just talking about the temperature in my home lab, Im talking about the heat, the sweat, and the endless electricity bills. Running an expensive GPU in my humble abode is like being in a romantic relationship. It's a wild ride, and Im willing to throw some serious cash at it.
Listen, I get it, folks. AI models are like that one ant at the family reunion. They are a hot mess, but you can't look away. But have you guys seen the prices of these GPUs? I mean, I've seen cheaper ways to buy a private island, cause when you're training that model, you're essentially funding a small country's GDP, and I'm over here trying to adult and also keep the lights on.
The bragging rights are real. The my home lab can crunch numbers faster than a Roomba on a sugar rush TF right up until the overclocking backfires and my basement explodes. Worth it, shrugs theatrically with a manic grin. Spent my life savings on a GPU so powerful it single-handedly unraveled the fabric of the space-time continuum. Now my cat keeps bringing me existential questions in dead things and the wife is spotty. You trade-offs, man, you trade-offs.
I've got a GPU that's so fast I'm starting to think I can finally beat my personal best in a game of predictive maintenance. I'm that far ahead of the game. I'm the master of Thebits, the sultan of slaughter, the one and only until I get a hardware failure and have to reboot my whole career.
You know, I once saw a documentary, a 5-second YouTube clip to be precise, claiming these GPUs can one day write their own stand-up routines. Now, that's a support group I wouldn't want to be part of. The existential dread alone would crash my system.
I've got a home lab that's so fire, I'm pretty sure the neighbors are like, you're not just burning electricity, you're burning down the entire neighborhood. But honestly, have you seen the price of replacement GPUs? I'd rather just pay for a small island.
My GPU fans so loud it's single-handedly causing the global chip shortage. Everyone's panicking. Where's the silicon? Getting stolen from. Turns out it's just me and my temperamental cooling system.
AI models are like significant others, all love at first sight. But then the monthly bills start and suddenly it's not your GPU, a need.
My wallet's trying to stage an intervention. Dude, you're over-investing in humans, and I'm talking about your credit cards, and I'm like him just trying to future-proof against the impending AI apo.
I've started using my GPU as a timeshare, renting it out to the neighbors and telling them it's a research assistant. They are like, can you do some more data aggregation for me? And I'm like, sure, but it comes with a side of cryptic error messages and a strong likelihood of system crashes.
My GPU's so powerful I'm pretty sure it's single-handedly keeping the cryptocurrency dream alive. It's a GPU-powered Ponzi scheme, but hey, at least I'm a sophisticated cog in the machine.